In a powerful example of community spirit and determination, farmers from 3 villages in Odisha's Raigada district have repaired a damaged irrigation canal using their own money and labor after receiving no support from authorities. The incident was reported from Nimajhola village under Kalyan Singhpur block, where repeated appeals to the administration allegedly went unanswered. Left with no option, farmers from Kuradi, Balipadar and Nimajhola villages came together and held a meeting. Each household contributed funds to purchase construction materials like cement, sand and stone chips. The villagers then voluntarily joined hands and carried out the repair and cleaning work themselves. The canal is a lifeline for more than 900 acres of agricultural land. Villagers feared that if repairs were delayed, irrigation water would fail to reach farmlands during the upcoming season, leaving vast stretches of cultivable land barren. Residents also claimed they had submitted written requests to ITDA authorities, but no permanent solution was provided. Meanwhile, Sub-Collector Ramesh Chandra Jaina said the administration is aware of the issue and efforts are underway to develop a proper mechanism for canal repair.